Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com and we are looking at ticker symbol AMDA. Okay, this first chart is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day of trading. There was a bounce yesterday, creating this green horizontal support line. That is the key level to hold. Then today there was this nice follow through with a bullish move above EMA's 4 and 8. They're the pink and green lines. So that was a sweet move above the first two resistance levels. So we'd like to see it close above EMA 8 at 220 today. The key resistance level to break, which has been tested intraday, is here at the middle Bollinger Band at 2.32. Okay, bulls. The key is to close above the middle Bollinger Band and start a new uptrend. The last time that happened was over here on the close on the 27th of January. You can see right here there was a close above the middle Bollinger Band, and then there's nice follow through the following day. So that's what we'll be looking for here. If the middle Bollinger Band resistance fails to break, that's going to signal downside risk. Okay, volume is picking up a little bit down here. Still fairly light volume on the day. So keep an eye out for a volume spike showing the people loading for the run. And then if you look down here at the MACD, you can see the MACD line has leveled and starting to hook up. Okay, so that's a good sign for the bulls. Also, take a look at the MACD histogram. As you can see, this right here was the peak, and then notice the next histogram is smaller. So that's what we call the histogram bars are retracting, and so that's showing the hook on the MACD line. And so what bulls want to see, you want to see the green line cross the red line to the upside. That would signal the chart is heating up. And then up here on Fasto, you have a bullish crossover on Fasto, and Fasto is the green line crossed the red line to the upside, and now there's Fasto is above 20, above the oversold line, and then now you have RSI up here breaking 50, now entering the 50 to 70 bull zone. So as you can see, the last time RSI was above 50 was back over here when there was that move on the 27th of January. So that's what we're looking for, possible history to repeat here if middle Bollinger Band resistance breaks. If it does, the key resistance level to break is going to be right here on the closing price on the 28th of January. Okay, a close above that level will extend the run, and that will put this the upper Bollinger Band at 350 as the following resistance level. Okay, let's look at the next chart. The next chart is an intraday chart, and this is a 15-minute chart showing the bullish move today. As you can see down here, there's this nice bottoming pattern formed. You've got the support was found down here, and then today there was a gap up open, and a big run followed, and so the candles did come down and fill this lower wick here did fill the gap, so that is good. And if you check it out, the candles have been riding EMA's 4 and 8 support higher throughout the day. If EMA 8 at 223 support breaks, that's going to put this middle Bollinger Band at 205 on deck. As long as middle Bollinger Band support holds, the uptrend should continue. If you look over here at the previous downtrend, check out how the candles were riding middle Bollinger Band resistance lower, as you can see here. So this was the down channel, kept hitting middle Bollinger Band resistance, heading lower, and then now you've got this new uptrend where the candles are now riding the upper Bollinger Band and EMA's upper Bollinger Band resistance and EMA's 4 and 8 support higher above the middle Bollinger Band. Okay, so the key now is going to be the resistance levels from this horizontal resistance line I'm going to draw here. So yeah, you want to see a break above here, which is the high close on the 11th. So you want to see a break above there. If that happens, then that's going to push the share price up into these levels from the 10th. So yeah, looking at a very strong move. You know, this parabolic move is unsustainable. Stocks don't go straight up. So, you know, as you can see here, even when the stocks were dropping and riding EMA's 4 and 8 support or resistance lower, they still pulled back in and tested the middle Bollinger Band. So at some point, EMA's support is going to break and test that middle Bollinger Band. One thing to keep an eye out for is going to be MACD down here. If you see a MACD bearish crossover right here, if the green line crosses the red line to the downside, you'll know the chart is breaking down. There has not been a bearish crossover during this entire run. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.